And this is the song. I read a book that touched my heart in such a way that I fell apart from sheer joy, page to page. The author's name? Wild, by Cheryl.
This is what I would sound like if I liked this book. I would sound like a hardcore feminist crook. Let me break this down for all of you to hear. This is the roast of Cheryl Strayed, worst author of the entire year.
I realized something so true that I want to share with all you, that this book, all 311 pages, makes me feel that I have been castrated.
Cheryl Strayed, book of a sore loser. She'll tap anything, the instincts of a true hooker.
With daddy issues that go back quite a time, daddy was a no-show, not a part of her life.
Her new daddy, that came after a few, treated Cheryl well. Love that was long overdue.
Kind of overdue like this book, if I rented it. Curse the gods. I bought this shit.
After Mommy passed of lung cancer, Cheryl showed just how much she loved her by having homicidal thoughts of killing her mother, who left Cheryl with a dumbass brother.
And so Cheryl went into a spiraling depression, like the space shuttle, the Challenger. She fucked up.
Left her husband for a time to go live with a friend and figure out her life.
She turned to meth in an instant, having casual sex with her new boyfriend. Eventually realizing she had fucked up when hubby came to her rescue. Now, isn't that true love?
But she fucked him over again and again, dragging hubby along all of her hippie quests.
Eventually divorcing hubby after he dropped out of college, which hubby did to be with Cheryl, but you know what? I guess a bitch is a bitch. And so Cheryl showed us the story of true wisdom. When you have a problem, take a walk. Oh, did I mention she had an abortion? No, that's still relevant. This was the roast of Cheryl Strayed, not an endorsement. Thank you.
Thank you.